clear. Alright, New York. Question, where have you been, great one? Reggae music, New York, away one. No for us if I win, stop sing. Them fighting say I to me not in a this slap thing. This is back to all the love you said. I must slap this and get your plan. Some run down quality and lost your way. From the back and get your plan. Before bleaching product, money in the fashion. Stop it and them bleaching still. Burn bleaching injection plus bleaching pill. Rich melanin make them feel inferior. Some start to bleach from the interior. Them not care about sunburn or skin cancer. They want to look like Snow White or Pink Panther. It's a me up in the pipe on the bleacher. Look how we walk in the bed and never play. Yes, we have clear. Clear. I feel now since I go on the road. Fire again. Balance. Worries and problems, strain and stress, nightmare, pain and death. Bubble and pollute the earth with blood stain and mess. No righteous youths, them want to blame and press. Guilty priests, molest kids on chairs and decks. Not get paid to see I'm blind and ear and deaf. Well, we no cater who shame and vex. But not over than anal sex. Blood drink, I want this the mineral bath. I'm gonna pay the night and funeral costs. Listen when the general talk, something like a god to cannibal art. Brother Jeffrey said no every work honestly and live stress-free. Wicked want test we them could have passed like jet ski immediately. New York see them like deadly as the day break. We give them a day break. They have to feel clear. Lord just through the riches and things, but someone said I raindrop like raindrop. Broke neck and strain back to all the fire playing at. Paper vice on the side drop. The coward game that clear. Some say them a brave heart, them full of beer talk. Push verses and verses, them shave hard. The music content still load. We don't worry about it, Grammy nor Billboard. They wanna see me there. They wanna see me fight. Who am I trying to trick? Tie down and blindfold. Some looking for treasure, some are search to find gold. We get here place, some artists are blindfold. Clear! Boy, I'll not take off underwear with his teeth. Burn filthy piggish clean. Artists are compete, but who are the biggest freak? When I'm a do on school tour and kiddie street. Wanna see baby? And disrespect is taken there. Girl, it's me and your favorite company. Me knock your door and call you company. Girl, you knock your door and company. But now it's your trees up to me. Girl, like, love my love. Keep it on the way I go. Right through the floor. But be my trouble. Clear. Something special for New York ladies. I'm gonna let them on. Watch a New York girl. Girl, we belong together, like the moon and the sun together. So please let us come together. But not sad up, clean. If we ever misunderstanding, we can talk it over. Still bring your roses and your chocolate over. After hours of your making it. Ladies, balance! The ladies that go to the rest of the Empress for a long, long time. Alright. You can't rush up our thing and say she move our waistline. Alright, this overstanding we can talk it over. Still bring your roses and you talk it over. After hours of love making, let's start it over. 22 with lemonade, no glass get soda. You say you got this over. Let's try to chop our week on oil on the glass of soda. Come and sit head up and then not the shoulder. You're pure plus the motor kind of catch his order. Girl, you know looking up. My empress is supposed to expose the thing that everyone has seen. Just understand? Alright. I love it when you attire elegant. Not just X-rated, they look fancy. Contain yourself. You know, be rampy. Remember, everybody sitting get burned instantly. Share a man with friend, cousin, sister, mother, or auntie. Drop a coat and show up on. It's like the skin of cranny or something. You know, I'm like dog or resemble donkey. Girl, you know me, dear. Let's rock! Yeah! But you said to the working baby.
Come chat with me.